guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Juan the Great. Today we're gonna unbox 2 regular cards of boxes. Let's see what we get. So this is gonna be my first time doing some prime pack baseball cards. You know, I bought these from Walgreens. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Let's see what we get. Like I said, I'm not a baseball fan, so I'm not sure what to expect. If y'all let me know what I get, go ahead and comment down the YouTube video. So here are the 2 packs we're gonna be unboxing today. Some Topps Baseball 2019 Series 1 and a Pinnacle 2013 8 cards per pack. And right here we got a Allen and Ginter Brian Bannister Topps card. Not too sure who that is. I'm not sure if he's cold or not. Just let me know down below. So since this is 2013 and it's Pinnacle, I'll unbox the last, and let's go ahead and get the Topps cards. You know, I bought these for a good $9 at Walgreens. Let's see what we get though. It is 16 cards. Let's go ahead. Burns Corbin. This is my first time getting baseball cards, so bear with me. I don't know these people. Black Ray. Nick's Jacob. Y'all let me know who cold. I'm not too sure. It's my first time doing these, so. Schwarber Kyle Schwarber. We got a Jordan Hicks. There's a Future Stars. I guess that's a good card right there. You know, a good sleever. We got the Milwaukee Brewers Stadium. Eduardo Nunez. Oh, this one's nice. This is a Future Stars Jack Flaherty. Look at that shine of the card. Cactus League. And we got a Matt Carpenter Stars of the Game. Max Scherzer. Brian Buxton. Jay Bruce. Carlos Martinez. Edwin Diaz. Jake Odorizzi. That's all the cards for that one. Let's go ahead and box this bad boy right here. Like I said, I'm not too sure with these baseball cards. It's my first time unboxing these. So let's go ahead and get right into the second pack, see what we get. 2013. Kevin Youkilis. Ichiro. Ryan Sandberg. Mike Napoli. We got a Swing for the Fences Pinnacle Jose Bautista. Now that's a nice looking card. Look at that clear. See? We got a Matt Kemp. A Melky Mesa. And we got a rookie card, Andrew Werner. And that's it for that baseball. Let's go ahead and get right into the football. Y'all already know what it is, baby. You know what I'm saying? I had to cop both of these at my local Walgreens. Let's see what we get. We got a Martellus Bennett, Chicago Bears. Man, y'all remember that dude? Used to be cold. All right. So we got a SP Authentic 2009. And we got a Absolute Football. Since this is 2009, let's go ahead and unbox this one last. Let's go ahead and go for the 2019, see what we get. 10 cards per pack. Y'all already know we got an Alvin Kamara. Let's go. We're gonna go off this season. I see something blue in the back. I don't know what it is. We got Nick Chubb. a great running back, one of my favorites to watch. We got Matt Ryan, a blue rookie card of a Jake Luton. Not sure who that is, but that's a nice looking card. Too bad Trevor Lawrence is gonna take over. We got Mike Evans. Red parallel look like it is. We got a Lynn Bowlen Jr. rookie card. Yeah, I like that shine to it. We got a Denzel Mims. A Quez Watkins. Another Jake Luton rookie card. And a AJ Terrell rookie card. We didn't really get nothing, just, some slight, but I really do like this card right here. That's clean. I like the shine to it. So like I said, I never unboxed an SP Authentic. Let's go ahead and see what we get. It says collect rookie autograph patch cards. It's from my hobby pack, so let's go ahead and get it. It's my first time unboxing these. Let's see who we get. I'm not gonna lie, these cards are legit. They go hard. White. They're very thick too. Santana Moss. This is from 2009, man. And Kurt Warner. Marion Barber III. Well, that's it, guys. Tune in next time. I'm gonna go ahead and box some score pack cards. Y'all go ahead and tune in for the next video. This is Juan the Great. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. I'll see you at the next video.